Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY, and in today's video I'm reviewing a product that's from Nykaa, and it's called the Nyka's Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Butter. If you want to see the full video, then keep on watching. So in the Nyka's Wanderlust series, this is the Japanese cherry blossom flavor, and the body butter that I have right now is the mini version. That's for 249 you get 50 ml, and if you buy the bigger body butter you have to pay 400 for a 200 ml. So that's kind of like a big deal. I thought I want to try something new, so I was interested in buying the smaller version. So as soon as I got the notification that they have launched their mini versions, I got my hands on there. So yeah, it smells amazing. This has 4 variants obviously. So this has a top where you have to remove the thing, and here's the body butter. I've used so much. Smells amazing, guys. You have to try it. It's amazing. Like, it's cherry blossom. It smells like that only. I am in love with this body butter, and if you want to get the body butter, the purchase link will be given in the description, so you can check it. Bye bye guys, meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.